Hey everybody, this is Miss Dietrich, and I'm going to show you a mental math shortcut. We all love shortcuts. We like making things easier for ourselves, and this is, I like to call it the 11 trick. And you might be wondering, well, when can we use it? The answer to that question is when you're multiplying a two-digit number with 11. So these are all examples of two-digit numbers that we're multiplying with 11. So then the next question is, how do you use it? So the way you use it is you're going to take the factor that's being multiplied with 11. So in this case, we're looking at 23. And we're going to rewrite those digits, only this time we're going to leave space in the middle. So see how we left some space? We're just going to add these two digits, 2 plus 3 equals 5, and then we're going to squeeze that sum right in the middle. 23 times 11 is 253. Let's try it again on this one. We're going to take the 1 and the 4, allow some space in between. We're just going to add these two. 1 plus 4 is 5, and squeeze it in the middle. 14 times 11 is 154. Let's do the same thing with the 51. We're going to rewrite these two numbers. Well, we're going to leave some space in the middle. We have a 5, we have a 1. 5 plus 1 is 6. Squeeze it in the middle. 4 and a 2. Let's leave some space in the middle. 4 plus 2 is 6. Squeeze it in. 42 times 11 is 462. All right, so then you might be wondering, what do you do when the digits add up to be more than 9? And these are all examples of when that might happen. So we're going to do something a little bit different, but it's basically the same idea. We're still going to take the numbers and squeeze them apart, space them apart. And you're still going to add, let me use a different color to make this a little more conspicuous. If we add 5 plus 6, that's going to be equal to 11. So do you see my 11? I just kind of wrote it crooked. And then you're just going to add the 1 plus 5, which is 6, and then bring your other digits down. So in other words, 56 times 11 is 616. Now if we apply that same principle to the next one, we're going to take the 7 and the 8 and space them apart. So 7 and 8. And then we're going to add the two values together. 7 plus 8 would be 15. So do you see where I wrote the 15? 15, do you see it? And then we're going to add the 1 plus 7, which is 8, and then bring the other digits down. All right, so the 9 and the 2, let's go back to my red pen. We'll put a 9, and we'll put a 2. 9 plus 2, think about what that is. That equals 11, so let's put the 11 like this. Do you see it? And now let's rename. 1 plus 9 is 10, and then we'll bring these two digits down. So we have a 1 and a 2. So the product is 1012. All right, we'll try it one more time with the 48 times 11, and hopefully you kind of got the hang of it. We're going to take the 4 and the 8 and space them apart. I'm going to move it down here because we're running out of room. When you add the 4 and the 8, you get 12. See the 12 right here? And now we're going to go ahead and rename. 1 plus 4 is 5, and then bring your remaining digits down. We have a 2 and we have an 8. The product of 48 times 11 is 528. Hope you found this helpful.